Hello fellas, how are you? Having exam pressures? Oh come on, don't be so pressurized. You know that you will make it and will also get high scores if you will concentrate on your studies and also on your diet. Yeah, diet plays a crucial role in this while preparing for your exams. Try to eat healthy and some rules which I will be sharing right now. Let's get to know. Number 1. Avoid junk foods. Junk foods are the ones which makes your stomach full, but better avoid. Instead, grab some nuts or carrot or cucumber sticks, which will sharpen your brain and will make it cool. Junks don't do that. They create the opposite. They upset your stomach. Number 2. Get more proteins. Protein works wonders in helping the brain both retain from information as well as recall it. Eat proteins like pulses, eggs, etc. to be in the best preparation. Number 3. Caffeine. Avoid. Those are the ones which can create side effects too by bringing about an inability to focus and concentrate. Too much of it is actually not good. It will cause havoc in the brain. Number 4. Water. Drink lots and lots of water, at least 8 to 10 glasses, as it is crucial for proper functioning of body, including your brain. Number 5. Sleep. Sleeping impacts a lot on your brain. Getting proper amounts of sleep is a must. If you don't sleep, the brain doesn't work well. So prepare for your exams before 1 week at least in order to relax your brain during exam days. Okay amigos, I hope you will pass this nutrition test and will get high scores in your exam. Do well, study well and all the best. Bye bye.